Welcome to my allotment diary in East Sussex for the third week of November 2018. It's been a week of humping dump bags, wheelbarrows and the like due to my cutting down the hedge between the allotment and the neighbouring farmer last week. No one told me getting rid of the cuttings would take just as long as doing the hedge trimming. Fortunately, Dick, a fellow plot holder, did give me a welcome hand on the first bag, which taught me not to fill the bags as full when doing it on my own. The next day was spent in the big city, and on the way back home I collected some mushroom compost, which again had to be humped from car park to plot. No rest for the wicked, and I must be wicked. Compost unloaded and stacked, a short rest, and another bag taken to the compost recycling plant. On the way back from the recycling plant and home for lunch, noticed a neighbour having a tree pruned by a local tree surgeon. Stopped the car, quick chat, gave him the now empty dump bag, returned after lunch and took to the allotment a load of freshly shredded tree branches. Returned to the plot and quickly laid weed control fabric and started another dump bag and barrowing humping session. I mentioned last week the wire fence was needy of some repair, and I would buy some clips to refix to the posts. No can do, these clips unavailable, so made do with some expanding ring bolts. At the other end I could not reach the end post because of this tree had overgrown in its path, so I twisted the wire around an available branch. As a break from the barrowing and the like, I intermittently weeded the strawberry bed and potted on any available strawberry runners. A task I've been meaning to do for a few weeks now, and was a welcome change from infrastructure work to horticultural. This brings me to the end of this week's diary. Hope you found it interesting, and if you did, a thumbs up would be nice, and if not already done so, please subscribe. Until next week, take care and bye.